Hello, my name is Drew Applegate, and this is my Hort 120 Real-Time Architect presentation. Real-Time is the third software we have learned and the second industry-specific software we have learned about and used. To familiarize ourselves with the software, we created a master plan which can be seen in a 2D view and 3D view below. The first concept I would like to talk about is the plan view, perspective view, and walkthrough option in real time. First, plan view, much like AutoCAD and Dynascapes, this is where you begin creating your design. It is a 2D design studio like the softwares listed above. Next, the perspective tab, which was not previously available in AutoCAD and Dynascapes. This is your 3D design studio where you and the client can see what the design would look like in real life. Finally, the walkthrough tab, which is also specific to real time. This is where you can set camera points along your design in your plan view and watch walkthroughs of the design in your perspective view. This again allows the designer and client to get a feel for what the design would look like, as well as giving a sense of feeling. The next concept I want to discuss is the layers and inserting a template. Like AutoCAD, RealTime requires you to create your own layers, while Dynascape had pre-made layers. If something is on the wrong layer, you just select it, right-click, and select Move Layer. For inserting a template, just like the other two websites, it requires a lot of steps. But the main way to insert a picture or template is through the option of Picture Import Wizard. The third concept I want to talk about is the site amenities. Similar to Dynascapes, RealTime has a built-in library of figures that can give the designer and client viewing the design a sense of what the space is being used for and how it will fit in your design. With the addition of a perspective view, this makes it much easier as you can see what the amenities look like. A notable difference is RealTime offers options for lighting, which adds another layer of realism to your design. You have the creative freedom to change the materials on the amenities to have it fit the design you're going for. While AutoCAD and Dynascapes have tools such as line, polyline, rectangle, etc., RealTime has many object-specific tools. The main ones we used for our master plan design were region, path, house, patio, and deck. These tools are pre-designed, which makes it very easy and simple when it comes to designing. You are also able to edit the materials just as you can with the amenities. Another concept I want to elaborate on is the plant tool, label, and list feature. In real time, the plant tools let you add and customize plants using a large database of trees, shrubs, and flowers. There is an option to plant a singular or row of plants. You can also easily change the plants without having to delete and replant a new row. You also add in a plant legend that will show you all the types of plants in the design and the amount there are. The final concept I want to discuss are viewpoints. This is a new feature that is specific to only RealTime and not AutoCAD or Dynascapes. Viewpoints are something you can set as a designer that capture a certain angle of the design in perspective view. By setting the angle, you can easily switch to a point that you want to show the client. You can also easily change the time of day on the viewpoint so the client can get a visual of what the design will look like in all hours of the day. There is no limit to how many viewpoints you can set, and they can be an alternative to walkthroughs.